Hi viewers, welcome to Usha's Little Kitchen. Today I'm going to make, this is a all-purpose flour. I have taken 3 cups of all-purpose flour and today I'm going to make maida biscuits. We can call it a biscuit, but we have to fry this. Biscuit is all, normally we have to bake, but this is a kind of biscuits which I am going to fry. For this, we have to require, I have taken about quarter cup of pure ghee. I am going to pour this in this, and we have to give a nice mix. This is the secret of this maida biscuits, that is all-purpose flour biscuits, because this ghee and this flour should mix thoroughly well. Nicely we have to coat, all the maida should be coming into the pure ghee. Pure ghee is always good, so I am using always pure ghee only. Little bit left. In this, a pinch of baking powder, pinch, very little. Give a nice mix. See friends, I am mixing it, and now that it turns, we can make a laddu type this. This is our, it means our flour is very nice. We can, this is more than enough. We have mixed it thoroughly. Now I have to mix sugar, water as well as a little bit milk in this, and the sugar is completely dissolved. I have taken about 3 cups of maida. I have taken 1 cup of sugar, and pour a quarter cup of milk and 1 cup of water. So in that I'll put cardamom powder. Give a good mix. Now we will mix this with the sweet mixture and make a nice dough. Don't put all, mix slowly. See, Now our mixture has come out nicely. Now dough is very soft. Now we have to give this for about 15 minutes. We have to keep it aside. We have to give this dough rest for 15 minutes. See friends, the dough is now ready. I have taken one ball type like this, and now we have to make a chapati type. We have to make a see viewers, my oil is nicely heat. Let it cook in the slow fire for at least it will take 5 to 8 minutes. Our second batch is going. It's coming nicely. Getting golden brown color, but this biscuit should be a little bit brownish shade only. You know why? Because we have already put sugar in this. So if you put sugar and fry it, then it will be a little bit brown color only. Cooked in a slow fire. Let it cook. It has come nicely, and I have to take it out. See the put it in the tissue paper. My Maida biscuit is ready, and it has come out very nicely. Very crispy. See, so nice from inside also. It's so tasty, so crispy. You can see the sound of this. So nice. You also try this in your house, and give me a comment in the comment section, and subscribe my videos, and press the little jingle bell also, so that I will come along with another recipe in your next video. Till then, goodbye.